Today I'm going to make an attachment for my electric blower so that I can clean those gutters without climbing up there. I've borrowed the attachment that goes on that you pay 50 bucks for. It's a little clumsy. I want something a little bit lighter, so I'm going to try this. So I got this really thin PVC stuff at Lowe's. Got this at a pipe irrigation store, but Lowe's sells them too. It's 200. It's not Schedule 40. Unfortunately, I had to get a heavy one of these. This is going to go in here. This is going to go in here to reduce it. And this is the standard size I use around my house, so otherwise I could have used 2-inch in here. That just makes it a little heavier. And then this is going to go in here. Like that, I'm going to glue all of this together. This other end, I'm not going to glue until I get the exact angles I want, but the right angle is going to go on here. Got a little extender to get over toward the middle of the gutter, and then a 45-degree, but bent a little bit, because I'm going to be using this at an angle from the ground, not right underneath it. Okay, and this Ryobi 1 HP, there was a little notch here. I ground it off. I don't know what it was for. Maybe for stability, but I dremeled it off mostly. And it's about 3 inches, so this 3-inch PVC will work. Oh, there's version 1. You can look at another video I made, and I can make my own bungee cords. I got this from Sergeant Knott's. It's marine grade. Just put it around the top of this reducer, came around the back, and it holds it up good enough. Let's see if it works. It's pointing in the other direction. Works great. Would have been cleaner. I mean, you would have seen more leaves come out. But I actually did just clean my gutters a week ago using some other gadget. It was real painful to use. It was real flimsy. Little center of gravity probably right here on this, closer to here, so it's easier to handle than if it was way out there. Once you point it up right, really not. And of course, this gadget will work with just about any kind of blower, as long as you can make a connection here. You may have to stuff some foam around it to seal it if it's rectangular, oval shaped. And if you don't want it this long, you just cut it in the middle and put a little coupling in between there. Glue it or not glue it. I'm not going to glue this. It worked perfectly. Finally, no more climbing ladders. Do it yourself. Make it as long as you want. Clean your gutters.